how to create editable Canva templates to sell on Etsy using Canva Pro. Before we start, you can try out Canva Pro with my link in the description. Canva Pro is the premium version of the online graphic design platform Canva, offering access to a wider range of features, templates, and media. So first of all, let's check out the plans and pricing section on this page. Once you're here, you will get to see all their available plans that they offer, starting with free, Canva Pro, and Canva Teams. You can also check out their monthly and yearly plans separately. Now, let's scroll up and click on Login. If you don't already have an account, just click on my link to try out Canva for free. Now, I'll just click on Login to log into my account. After that, I will select Continue with Google. Then, I will choose my Google account from the options and click on Continue. After that, I will be logged into my Canva account. And as you can see, I'm already logged in. Now, from this page, you can click on Create a Design on the top right, or you can also go to your home page and start from there. So, I will go over to my Canva dashboard, and as you can see, I'm already here. On the dashboard, you will get to see all of these options on the left, and also some more options on the main screen. Let's go ahead and click on Create a Design on the top left. After that, you will get to see all the available templates. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific template that you're looking for. As an example, I will type and search for ebook, then click on the result from here. After that, you'll be taken to this section right here. This is the editor page of Canva. On the left, you will get to see all the available templates that you can use. Scroll through them and look for your desired template. I will go with this one over here. And as you can see, it already looks pretty good. You can select each of the elements on the picture to make adjustments. For example, I've selected this text. You can click on the font option on the top and choose a different font from all the options from the left panel. You can also adjust the size and make it bold if you want. Then, if you select this background image, you can click on BG Remover on the top or also click on Edit to edit the picture. If you click on Edit, you will get to see all of these options on the left. You also have the options for elements on the left panel. Click on it. Here, you can view all the elements that you can add on your design. And over here, you have some more options that you can use to customize your template. You can animate it and even set the positions from here. So after checking these out, let's go over to elements again. Here, you can go through these default elements or use the search bar. Then, let's check out text. Here, you can go through the different texts and choose from any of them. After selecting it, it will be added to your template right away. You can change its size and position by dragging it around. Then you have the brand option on the left panel. If you select it, you can customize your branding. Then we have uploads. You can add your custom elements with this. This way, check out all the options from the left panel, and you will get to understand which tools you will need to customize your template. So once you're done making all the changes, click on Share on the top right corner. After that, click on the three dots on the bottom right to see all. From here, click on Template Link. After that, you need to select Create Template Link. Now, all you need to do is click on Copy to copy the template link. And as you can see, the template link has been copied to your clipboard. Now, let's go ahead and go over to the Etsy website. Here, you need to sign in to your Etsy account. So just click on Sign In on the top and sign in. So once you're in your Etsy account, click on Your Account from the top. Then, go over to Sell on Etsy right here. After that, click on Get Started. You will then be taken to this page. Click on Let's Do This and start your shop. Over here, you need to set your shop preferences. Set your shop language and shop country, then shop currency, and click on Save and Continue. Here, select a name for your shop and then click on Save and Continue. So once you're here on the next page, you need to select a category for your product. So let's go ahead and type in a category. In this case, I will go ahead and type in ebook. And as you can see, we got the option for templates. Click on it. Now, go over to the next part that says what type of item is it. Select digital files, and who made it, select I did. Then, on what is it, select a finished product. After that, on when did you make it, select the relevant option to your product. Then, on how is this digital content created, select the relevant option, and you can also add production partner if you want. All you need to do is put in their information here. Then, just click on Save and Continue on the bottom. On this section, you need to add more details, such as the title of your product. I will type in a random example. You can add whatever you want. Then, on the Photos and Video section, click on Add and select the template that you made on Canva. As you can see, it has been uploaded. Now scroll down to Digital Files and click on Add File. Then add the file from your device. Once it's uploaded, scroll down and add a description for your product. Here, you can put in the relevant description. Then, on Price and Inventory, set the numbers. After that, scroll down further and add any additional information, such as primary color, secondary color, occasion, holiday, and more. And keep scrolling down and setting all the information necessary. And as you can see, we cannot save without putting in the quantity over here. So set the quantity on this section. I will set a random number for now. Then make any other necessary adjustments according to your preference. So let's add secondary color, and on the occasion section, you can choose from any of these available options. You can also use the search bar if you want. And on holiday, you can set a specific holiday as well. On the tax section, you can type in relevant tax to your product. After that, just click on Add. You can also specify the materials of your product. Just type it in the Materials section. And once you're done typing in the information, just click on Add. This way, you can add multiple. Then if you scroll down further, you will get to see this Details section. Here, you can add details, and on the Category section, you can put in a category for your product. As an example, I will select Book Sets and Collections. It says changing category will reset attributes. So if you want that, click on Change Category anyway. So once you're done setting it up, click on Save and Continue on the bottom right corner. You will then be taken to this page over here. And as you can see, it says Great Job on your first listing, which means your ebook template has now been uploaded and listed on Etsy. You can also click on Add More Listings from the bottom right. After that, you'll be taken to this section. So let's click on Save and Continue. And on this page, you need to set up how you'd like to get paid from Etsy. So go through all of these options on this page and set up your payment information. Once you're done putting in all the details, click on Save and Continue on the bottom right corner. Then, you can just go ahead and start selling your editable Canva templates. And that is exactly how to create editable Canva templates to sell on Etsy using Canva Pro.